Hello everyone, welcome to the Veda. The today's topic is concept of rasa. That's nothing but the tastes of health and ill health. Because we consume the food which has a one or another taste in the shad rasas, those are six rasas. So these are the tastes which keep our health and also the reason for the ill health also. So let us see what is actually the rasa and how it is derived and what are the lakshanas and what it means actually. So Nirukti, how it is derived? Ras aswadhane. Rasa is the one which can be perceived through the our taste buds, which can we feel by the tongue. And nana artha. How could we call this pada rasa and different kinds of meanings? That is, we can call it as a swarasa, nothing but the juice extract of a plant. Parada, we also call parada, the mercury, as a rasa. Dhatu, we have a first dhatu, that is nothing but the ahara rasa, that is rasa dhatu. And indriyartha, as now we are discussing the concept of rasa, that taste, it means the indriyartha. So what are the lakshanas, how it is defined, or what are the characteristics of a rasa? Rasanartho rasaha. In Charaka Sutrasthana first chapter, Charaka mentioned that Rasanartho rasaha. Rasa is the one which is perceived by the rasanendriya. Artha of rasanendriya is nothing but the rasa. Rasanartho rasastasya dravyamapah kshitistata nivruttau cha visheshascha pratyayaha khadayastrayaha. So what is rasa? What are the characteristics and how it is composed of? Rasanartho. Rasa is the one which is the artha of rasanendriya. Rasastasya dravyam apah kshitistata. How the rasa is formed? Ap and Prithvi Mahabhuta combinedly form all rasas. Nivruttau cha visheshascha pratyayaha khadayastrayaha. In every in all the six rasas, the shad rasas, Prithvi and Ap Mahabhuta are common. They form the rasa. But how the different kind of tastes are manifested? By the predominance of Ka Adi, other three Mahabhutas. Ka Adi, that is Akashadi, four Mahabhuta. So this is how the rasa will manifest. Next is, according to Karikavali, rasastu rasanagrahyo madhuradi ranekata. Rasa is the one which we can perceive through the rasanendriya, through the rasana, nothing but the tongue we can perceive it. Madhuradi ranekata, what are those? Madhuradi six rasas are there. Tatra rasanagrahyo rasaha, Ashtangrudaya Sutrasthana first chapter. The one which is perceived through the tongue is nothing but the rasa. Next, according to Shivdas Sen, rasanendriya grahyo yo artha sarasaha. The artha of a rasanendriya, the one which perceived through the rasanendriya, is nothing but the rasa. These are the lakshanas of rasa. Now, rasa sankhya nirdharena vibhinna mata. The reference is Charaka Sutrasthana Atreya Bhadrakapiya Adhyaya. So, rasa sankhya nirdharena vibhinna mata. The difference of opinion regarding the number of a rasa. We don't had the conclusion that only six rasas are there. Those are Madhuram Lavana Katutikta Kashaya. We don't have such an opinion. After considering all the difference of opinion and considering the main theme and scientific reasoning and rejections, we have came to the conclusion. The Atreya Punarvasu has concluded that those are six rasas are there. So because of any concept has the difference of opinion, nothing can perceived in a single way. Some perceive in a one way, some other in a some other way. So that's why the conclusion given by the that Sambhasha Parishat about the Rasa Sankhya given the Shad Rasas. So how it is concluded? What are the difference of opinion? We will see now among the different authors. Firstly, Bhadrakapya said that number of rasa is only one, that is the udaka. The yoni or water itself rasa, that is only rasa that existed. And second one, Shakunteya Brahmana said that two rasa are there. Those are Chedaniya Upashamaniya. There are two rasas are there. One which does the Chedana karma and another one which does the Upashamana karma. These are considered as two rasas. And according to Purnaksha Maudgalya, there are three rasas are there. Those are Chedaniya, Upashamaniya and Sadharana. And according to Hiranyaksha Kaushika, there are four rasa are there. Those are Swaduhita, Swadu Ahita, Aswaduhita, Aswadu Ahita. And according to Kumarashira Bharadwaja, there are five rasa are there. Those are Bhauma, Agneya, Antariksha, Udaka and Vayavya. And according to Vayurveda Rajarshi, there are 6 rasa are there. Those are Guru, Lagu, Shitoshna, Snigdha, Ruksha. And according to Nimi, there are 7 rasa are there. Those are Madhuramla, Lavana, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya, extra added by Kshara. And Bhadishodhamargava, 8 rasa are there. Those are Madhuramla, Lavana, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya, Kshara and Avyakta. And according to Kankayana, Aparisankhya, there are innumerable number of rasa are there. So here we totally have 9 opinions among the 9 different authors. So how Punarvasu Atreya concluded this? When said the Bhadrakapya, Udaka is the only single rasa. So the Atreya Punarvasu rejected this theory as Udaka is a yoni, because as we already said that Rasanartho Rasastasya Dravyam Aphakshitistata, the yoni or the originating factor, the basic factor for any rasa is the Aap and Prithvi Mahabhuta. So Aap is the yoni, the originating factor for a rasa itself is not a rasa, it is a Pancha Mahabhuta, one of the Pancha Mahabhuta. So that's why this theory is rejected. And secondly, Shakunteya Brahmana, Chedaniya and Upashamaniya, what he said is, so Chedaniya and Upashamaniya are the karma of a rasa, because when we come to the Chedana karma, we will administer a Katu rasa or Tikta rasa or Kashaya rasa. When Upashamaniya karma, like one which subsides. So when Vata aggravation is there, Madhuramla Lavana we will give. When Pitta aggravation is there, Madhura Tikta Kashaya will give to subside the things. That's why these are the karma, the action done by the rasa, not itself a rasa. That's why this theory also rejected. And next comes Purnaksha Maudkhalya. 3 rasa, Chedaniya, Upashamaniya, Sadharana. As already said, Chedaniya and Upashamaniya are a karma, not a rasa, and Sadharana is the karma that lies in between the Chedaniya and Upashamaniya. So that's why these 3 are a karma. So this theory also rejected. These are not considered as a rasa. Next comes the 4th one, Hiranyaksha Kaushika. Those are Swaduhita, Swadvahita, Aswaduhita, Aswadvahita. This is nothing but the Swadhita is one which is liked by a person. Aswadhita, one which is not Swadvahita, one which is not liked by the person. So because we are n number of population is there, like a person to person we have different taste. Among the unique taste perception will be there in a individuality. So one, if I like the sugar, someone will like the spice, someone will like the sauce, someone will like the even the pungent also. So that's why it depends on the individual. It's not so we can't say that these are the rasas. It's completely unscientific. That's why this theory is rejected. And next, Kumarashira Bharadwaja said that 5, there's Bhauma, Agneya, Antariksha, Udaka, Vayavya. Nothing but the Pancha Mahabhuta are itself 5 rasas. Because the Pancha Mahabhutas are the ashrayas, or the main reason for a manifestation of a rasa or manifestation of different kinds of a taste. That's why we can't say these are the itself a rasas. The combination of these are nothing but the rasa. That's why this theory is rejected. Next comes the Vayurveda Rajarshi. He said 6 rasa. Those are Guru, Lagu, Shitoshna, Snigdha, Ruksha. These are the guna of a rasa, because when it comes to the Madhura rasa, it has the Guru, Shita and Snigdha guna. When it comes to the Tikta rasa, it has a Ruksha and Shita and Lagu guna. And when it comes to the Katu rasa, it has, that is nothing but the spice, it has a Ushna, Lagu, and it also causes a Rukshata in a body. So these are the guna, the qualities possessed by a rasa, not a rasa. That's why this theory is also rejected. Next comes the Nimi. He said 7 rasa, those are Madhuramla Lavana, Katutikta Kashaya and extra added Kshara. So first 6 rasas are considered absolutely right. Madhuramla Lavana, Katutikta Kashaya are the 6 different types of Shadrasas which a universe have. So he added a Kshara, but Kshara is not a rasa, it's a combination, it's a karma, Ksharanat Ksharaha, one which does the Ksharana or the scraping out, or done which breaks or excise or incise is Kshara. But also Kshara is combined of Katu, Amla and Lavana rasa. It is a combination of rasa, it's not an independent rasa. That's why the 6 rasas are accepted and last one Kshara is rejected. And Bhadishodhamargava has also had the same opinion regarding about rasa, but he extra added Kshara and Avyakta. So Madhuramla Lavana, Katutikta Kashaya are considered absolutely, and Kshara is again a karma, or it is combined with the Katu Amla Lavana rasa. It's not an independent rasa. And Avyakta is a state of a rasa. It may be in a it's not perceivable in a nature. It's a state. It's not a itself a rasa. Avyakta rasa, there is no existence of a rasa if the taste is not perceived, like there is no existence is considered as a rasa, that's not perfect. That's why avyakta and kshara are rejected. And Kankayana said that aparisankhya rasa are there. Iga, how he said this? Because he concluded his theory that Kankayana concluded that when it comes to the sweet, Madhura rasa we will take. So we have Guda also separates sweet tasting, because the Sharkara also has the Madhura rasa, but it differs from the Guda. And also we have apple, it is also Madhura rasa, it has a different taste. We have a custard apple, it has also a different sweet taste. He considered like this because every individual thing has a different taste. That's why he considered as a apparisang, innumerable number. But that is not true. When it comes to the Madhura rasa or a sweet, it is sweet itself. We can't say that this is sweet 1, sweet 2, sweet 3, or sweet A, sweet B, sweet C. Like that, aparisankhya is a completely unscientific or completely illogical. That's why this theory is also rejected. So what are the Shad rasas? How the conclusion is given? Rasa Sankhya Atreya Punarvasu, Bhagavan Atreya Punarvasu given the conclusion that Shadeva rasaha ityuvachaha Bhagavan Atreya Punarvasuhu. Those are Madhuramla Lavana Katutikta Kashayaha. So only after considering that these all difference of opinion, I will conclude that Shadeva rasaha, there are only 6 rasas. Those are Madhura, sweet, Amla, sour, Lavana, salt, Katu is a like spice, Tikta is a like pungent, Kashaya is Tikta is bitter, Kashaya is pungent. So these are the 6 rasas: Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Katu, Tikta, Kashaya, concluded by Bhagavan Atreya Punar.